Hello, I'm Alex Evans, Director of Technology for the Colusa County Office of Education, and today we're out by the Colusa Golf Course. We're installing our EduNet radio and antenna on top of our telephone pole, and we are in the process of getting everything configured. Yesterday we talked about having the backhaul from the Pirelli cabling plant, and so we're extending our network from Colusa High School. This will give us the ability for Colusa Unified School District students to use the EduNet to the south and the southeast part of the county for Colusa, and we are getting everything ready. So we're after this installation is complete, we'll be doing some testing, we'll do some configuration, and we'll be making sure that everybody can what the signal strength is, and then we'll be working with the district to roll out that progress. So hope you're having a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a good one.